Hi guys, welcome back to Roxy's Toy Box. Today we've got Shopkins, so cool fridge and easy squeezy fruit and veg stand. Alright, here's what we have here. We have the fruit and veg stand. And we have the so cool fridge. So let's get started.
Can you help me take it out?
Pull. We got it! Woo! Maybe we stand it up?
No.
No? Oh, there's a pumpkin in the set.
Can I put pumpkin in? And it came with a coconut in the set.
Let's see. It came with the coconut and the pumpkin, and who's in the middle?
Creamy Bun Bun.
Creamy Bun Bun's joining us. Look how cute those little guys are. Shopkins. Take the rest of it out. Come on. That thing was really strapped down into that box. Okay, let's see what we got here. What do we have?
Shopkins more blue, and we have some pink holders.
Alright, so here it is. Looks like we've got the little scale to weigh our Shopkins. They do snap onto there. See that? And then we have two little pull-out pans that you could display your Shopkins in. It comes with the two blue shopping bags. And then there's this little guy. So let's see how this guy works. Right here. Show us how this guy works. The little slide.
Okay.
Okay. Wow! And he falls into the cup. So cute. Show us again. So cute. And then we have here a little storage case to put them in. So this has lots of Shopkins storage. These pieces right here, they can attach. And I believe all these pieces do attach because it's on both sides. And now for our Shopkins fridge. I'm so excited about this one. Whoa.
Dun.
Dun, dun, dun. Look how cute.
Oh, and came with stickers.
Came with stickers? Let's see. You're not showing me what it came with.
And this
Turn it around, let me see, and then I'll take the tape off. Oh, how cute. Let's get the tape off of this guy. Okay, so here's our open fridge. Here's the ice dispenser. And the thing I'm most upset about is it doesn't come with a block of ice. There is no ice. But here's the ice bucket, all ready for the ice to come out. It's got 2 exclusive Shopkins, and they're clear. And then it's got these little guys. 6 mini Shopkins, and they're all eggs. Oh, so cute. Here's our Shopkin eggs, and it comes with a little seesaw for them. Whoa, whoa, whoa. They're having fun. They all have cute little faces, and they come out. They actually do come out of this little egg carton. And then we have our soda. And who else came in this set? Yogurt.
No,
super clear.
Strawberry Kisses.
Strawberry Kisses. Is that what you're naming it? Okay. So we have Strawberry Kisses yogurt, and looks like lemon soda to me. And there's the inside of the fridge. Got lots of storage for all your Shopkins. And one cool thing about this set is it came with stickers, so let's decorate our fridge. Okay, so here's the stickers that they come with. Oops. Let's see the other pack of stickers. Hold on before you put them on. Okay. So what are we going to put on? First things first, I need to put on
There's wobbles over there.
Shopping list. There you go. There's my shopping list. Okay, what else are we going to put on? I found a little donut.
There's sodas. Soda.
Soda. Where's
Just
the soda
Shopkin
going?
stickers.
Okay, where's the soda going?
He's going over here. The soda's going on.
Oh, I like what you did there. The blue matches that side. Cute.
He's going over here.
We got
the top.
a bubble?
Mhm.
A bubble. Okay.
Oh, I found the apple one.
An apple? Where's the apple going? I know what I'm going to put next. I'm going to put the cupcake next to the donut.
There's the eggs one. He's going here.
Oh, so cute.
There's wobbles.
Oh, little jelly.
Okay, we're all done decorating it.
That's it? What other stickers do we have? These little eggs. Let's see. I'm going to put the eggs down here. 1. Wait, I gotta put her buddies. 2. And 3. So cute, little eggs. Hey, you're taking my eggs away. And how about a picture of Cupcake and who else is in there? Cupcake?
The sandwich.
A sandwich, okay.
He's going over here.
Perfect. Love it.
We're all done. The
Need
eggs.
something on the sides. Let's put some stickers on the side.
Whoa, the eggs can fall out and go down the slide so fast. Mommy. Woo. Whoa, the tongue fell down there. We gotta get him
Okay, we got
now.
little eggs rolling all over the place here. Let's get more stickers. So cute. There you go. There's my side. Alright, so there you have it. There's our fruit and veggie stand. There's our fridge. And there it all is. What do you have to say?
I say, I'll take this.
You want to take that and you want to go play?
Mm-hmm.
All right, how about bye-bye? Thanks for watching.
Do.
Do, 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 do.
Beep beep. Ooh.